Ready to decorate your Crocs with Jibbitz charms? These vibrant accessories are easy to attach and remove, and we've created a simple guide to help you get started. With 13 openings on each clog-style Croc, you can choose where to place your charms and how to space them out. For flip-flops and sandals like the classic Crocs flip, you'll find about 6 openings for Jibbitz. To attach a charm, pinch the top of the Croc to create a larger opening, slide the charm in at a 45-degree angle until you hear a pop, and position it based on your preference. To remove, pinch the opening again and pull out the charm at a sideways angle. Additionally, for tie-on charms, wrap the stretchy loop around the strap and secure it to the peg to keep it in place. While clip-on charms can be easily added to shoelaces by sliding them on and pinching the clamp to secure, enjoy personalizing your footwear.